In today's video, let's talk about how to post on LinkedIn for explosive growth. LinkedIn is a great platform for finding leads for your business. If you think about who uses LinkedIn, it's all business people. At a lot of companies on their internet, if they do have blocking, they'll block all social networks except for LinkedIn. No, come on. So everybody in an office environment to kill time will use LinkedIn because they can't really be seen using Facebook. So they'll use LinkedIn instead. So if you're trying to sell to businesses, LinkedIn is a great addition to your marketing stack. In today's video, I want to talk about how to create good LinkedIn content. You can see in my profile, I'm regularly getting over 100 likes per post, getting a lot of good engagement, a lot of good votes on my LinkedIn content. And so I want to write some new content based on the old content that works. So how are we going to do that? So first, I'll use this extension called Tapleostats, which scans LinkedIn profiles and finds their top posts. And if I click this, I can see all of my best ofs. My greatest post of all time was help me out with this cold email situation. You get a really great cold email, but you don't need what they're offering. What do you do with the email? I have another one, cold calling is a game of the past. So cold calling or cold email are the top two. And then feeling low on energy, do what makes you happy, motivation post. So that's my top posts. I could also use this plugin to see Bill Gates' top post, the best of William H. Gates. Great. His top post is Happy Birthday, Warren. I don't know what that means. We can also look at, basically, we could look at anyone's top posts with this plugin. It's really cool. We could see Steve Schmidt, owner of Marketing with Care, but he doesn't have any posts because apparently Marketing with Care doesn't involve LinkedIn. No, okay, we're good. 2 votes on his thing. Because he's such a good marketer, that's why he's only got 2 votes on his thing. Your amount of social engagement really influences how people see you online, especially if you're trying to be a marketer. You really have to be able to get engagement with your social media posts, especially if you're selling social media marketing. So now, what can help with that? Well, what about the power of AI? What about using the power of AI to help? So let's go on over to Tapleo.com and let's use AI to write some good posts based on my top posts. So we'll go over to Tapleo and we'll go over to the My Stats page. Now, My Stats automatically will pull the top posts for me that generated the most engagement or the most views. And it's going to be different posts here for each one. So let's click engagement and let's use these as a base. There are 3 types of salespeople: the boxer, the manager, the technician. Always know what to say, figure out which one you are. Grab leads from Lead Shark, lead generation, and send some emails. That's great. I like that it calls out Lead Shark. Or this one, every cold email needs a call to action. It should be specific, but not too specific. It's a bit confusing, so here are 2 examples. Or this one, I'm giving away our LinkedIn course for free. It shows exactly how we made 300K in sales in last year, step by step, one for free. Like this post, and I'll send you a link. So let's look at this one, the boxer, the manager, and the technician, and let's click our little Tapleo robot, and the AI will now write a new version of this for us. There are 3 types of salespeople: the boxer, the manager, the technician. Which are you? Easy. That's one version of this. Let's see if Tapleo can give us another version. Figure out which type of salesperson you are, grab leads from Lead Shark, lead generation, and send some emails. Honestly, that's another great one. Let's, can we go for round 3? Can we get another version of this post? Because now, so far, I've gotten 2 good versions of this post using AI. Let's get another one. There are 3 types of salespeople: the boxer, the manager, the technician. Figure out which one you are and start sending emails through Lead Shark, lead generation. Start sending emails using Lead Shark leads. And there's version 3 of the LinkedIn post. So now we've used AI to write 3 versions of our top performing LinkedIn post, and we can post these up at 3 different times, queue them in one click, and we'll be good to go. Let's just queue this one up. There are 3 types of salespeople: the boxer, the manager, the technician. Figure out which one you are and start sending emails using Lead Shark leads. Add to queue. And there we go. That's how to post on LinkedIn for explosive growth. If you want to do the same, then go on over to Tapleo.com and create a month's worth of LinkedIn content in just 10 minutes. There's a ton of other features in here, including the Engage feature, where the AI will help you engage with other people's posts more efficiently and make LinkedIn more fun, and also content inspiration, more AI stuff, everything you need in order to grow on LinkedIn. And again, you can grab that at Tapleo.com. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.